What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp verification code not receiving problem. So if you're experiencing this, trying to set up WhatsApp for the first time, trying to get your verification code and it's still not coming, then you want to check out this video. Right, so guys, the first thing you want to do is swipe up and you want to simply tap on settings. If you're not able to find it, you can simply use the search and find settings, open that. Then you want to scroll down in the list, guys, and open up your apps, and then you want to find WhatsApp. Now, as it starts with W, guys, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, right? So once you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will find WhatsApp in the list there. Now, once you find WhatsApp in the list, guys, you simply want to open it and you want to click on permissions. Now, once you find the permission, you want to scroll down, guys, to where it says phone, and you want to ensure that this is enabled, this permission is enabled. And also for the SMS, you want to ensure that this as well is allowed as well. Now go ahead and try again to see if you can receive the verification when you're setting up your WhatsApp, and see if that helps. Now if that still does not help, guys, you want to contact the WhatsApp support. So go ahead and open up your browser, and you simply want to use a search there, Google, wherever, and type WhatsApp Help Center. Now once you do that, click there and go to the WhatsApp website. It'll be taking you here, and you can simply scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see under the section that says get in touch. Click on contact us, and it will take you to this page here. You can contact WhatsApp Messenger support, right? So simple click on contact us, and it will take you to this form here. Go ahead and ensure that your country and its country code is correct. Then go ahead and you can fill in your phone number there, and you can fill in your email address, confirm your email address, as well as choose your device and write your story, what the problem is. So go ahead and say, hi team, you're currently trying to receive the verification code but it's not working, if they can please help you. And you can also say what you've already tried, so they know that you already tried some steps already, and just simply wait for them to contact you. And that's all there is to it. Now I hope that they will contact you guys and the issue will be fixed, and so that you'll be able to use and enjoy the WhatsApp application. So thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.